Every year, we also honor the academic achievements of our students, both undergraduate and postgraduate, our residents, interns, as well as of our staff, in various aspects. And today also, we have a list of awardees for the various awards that have been instituted by the Institute. And for giving away these awards, I request the dignitaries on our dais, particularly the Minister, Shri Harshvardhanji, to please come forward along with the Director to distribute the awards, please.
The first awardee, Pratik Mohta, receives the Mohanlal Vig Medal 2019 for clinical research. Pratik also is awarded the Dr. K.C. Kandari Book Prize Award in Dermatology and Venereology for Best Postgraduate Student. The B.K. Anand Medal in Physiology goes to Sunaina Soni. Surabhi Agarwal is awarded the Dr. Bodhraj Sabarwal Medal in Ophthalmology. The Sanjeevani Medal in Anesthesiology goes to Haritha Damarla. The next awardee is Swati Sonal for the Dr. Atman Prakash Medal in Surgery. Vijay Kubihal is awarded the Dr. Shyam Sharma Medal in Radiology. The Dr. Jagdish Lal Kapila Medal in Cardiology goes to J. Raylan. Hemant Kumar is awarded the Dr. N.C. Nayak Medal in Pathology for the Best Senior Resident. Professor H.D. Tandon Medal in Pathology for the Best Undergraduate Student goes to Sankeet Sadanand. Srimati Shakuntala Jolly Medal to the Best DM Medical Oncology Student goes to Vinod Sharma. The Dr. V. Ramalingaswamy Medal for Best Junior Resident in Pathology goes to Priyadarsini S. Ramavat Devendra Nayak gets the Mrs. Geeta Mittal Medal and Book Prize for Clinical Research. The Srimati Kirpal Kaur Medal for Best House Physician goes to Umang Arora.
The next is the Colonel G.C. Tandon Medal for 2019 in anesthesiology, and the awardee is Abhishek Singh. The Professor V. Hingorani Medal in Obstetrics and Gynecology to Kirtana R. Dr. Ellen Mahapatra Medal for the Best Postgraduate Student in Microbiology goes to Akash Neel Bhattacharya. Dr. J.R. Chawla Medal 2019 in Urology for the Best Senior Resident goes to Devanshu Bansal. Dr. MMS Ahuja Book Prize in Endocrinology goes to Hiya Boro. The Srimati Leelavati Salwan Book Prize in Obstetrics and Gynecology for the Best Junior Resident for Outstanding Research goes to Garima Patel. The Manohar Lal Soni Book Prize Award for Neurology for the Best Postgraduate goes to Ayush Agarwal. Dr. K.C. Khandari Book Prize in Dermatology and Venerology for the Best Postgraduate Student goes to Snehal Agarwal. The Amazonians of America Book Prize for the Best Nurse goes to Ragini David Dawson. The Amazonians of America Book Prize for Best Nurse in Research Work goes to Suman R. Kashyap. And the Amazonians of America Book Prize in Community Care Nursing goes to Dr. L. Gopichandran. In addition, I would like to announce the names of the persons who've been awarded but have been unable to attend due to various reasons this award-giving ceremony. The Mrs. Geeta Mittal Medal and Book Prize for Basic Research went to Rishikesh Thakur. The Srimati Kirpal Kaur Medal for the Best House Physician was also shared by Bhavesh M. The Dr. S.V. Talekar Medal in Biophysics was awarded to Shashank Shekhar. Dr. S.S. Sidhu Medal in Dental Surgery for the Best Postgraduate Student was awarded to Neeraj Kumar. The Hira Lal Medal in Surgery for the Best Postgraduate Student was awarded to Ashir Kaul. The Dr. M. Rohatgi Medal for the Best MCH Student in Pediatric Surgery was awarded to Kanika Sharma. The Professor V. Ramalinga Swamy Book Prize for the Best Intern at the Rural Health Center in Balabgarh was awarded to Anurag Kumar. The Dr. MMS Ahuja Book Prize in Endocrinology was also shared by Saurav Khatiwada. Dr. Rakesh Tandon Book Prize for the Best DM Gastroenterology Student was awarded to Gyan Ranjan Raut. The Sorel Catherine Freeman Book Prize in Pediatrics for the Best Postgraduate Student was awarded to Arunambika Chinnappan. And the Kamini Charity Trust Book Prize in Rhinolaryngology was awarded to Subagar A.S. Thank you very much.